Let's head over to our weather center with Josh Cozart there. Josh, we're in the mid-70s. Very welcome weather compared to what we've had the last few weeks.
Yeah, a good way to start off the new school year, actually feeling like the fall season, especially if those classrooms are lacking the AC department. It's a nice little change of pace for us all here across the Pacific Northwest, as us too are seeing some of those cloudier skies across the area, all thanks to that marine layer pushing the winds and the moisture back into the Willamette Valley. A live look out over downtown Portland, where our temperature currently sits at 73 degrees. The sunset tonight, try 754 as our winds remain out of the east-northeast at about 7 miles per hour. Maybe you're planning on taking a bike ride this evening. Expect to see those temperatures into the 70s for your showers past forecast, and those mostly cloudy skies are going to remain overhead as our temperature difference over the past 24 hours actually puts us slightly warmer comparatively speaking to where we were this time yesterday. Hillsborough up by about 5 degrees or so. Scappoose seeing very little in the change of temperature, but that's where you're picking up on a few of those heavier downpours indicated by those yellows and oranges. Salmon Creek right now getting the heaviest or the biggest brunt of this latest little batch of moisture pushing its way from the west to the east, and this is going to be ongoing for the rest of this evening as the cloud coverage remains widespread up and down the I-5 corridor, and it's bumped up against the Cascades where it's been fighting with the mountain peaks to try to push its way a little bit further off to the east. Much cooler out that direction as opposed to the triple-digit heat we saw east of the Columbia River Gorge yesterday. Let's check in with that Camp Creek fire just to the west of Mount Hood. Unfortunately, seeing very little rainfall in and around that area, but with some of our camera views actually picking up on a few of those raindrops. Not the smoke, but rather the low-hanging clouds dancing about the sky, all thanks to the Alert Wildfire camera, as additional rain accumulation is going to be beneficial for all of us here across the Pacific Northwest. These are going to be some of the greatest amounts of rainfall we've seen over nearly 3 months or so. That's taking us all the way back to about the middle of June, where we saw almost a full inch of rain, but try about a quarter. That will help fire crews get the upper hand on a lot of the blazes that continue to burn. As hit and miss showers continue to track their way from the west to the east, you'll notice becoming very scattered in nature, and not everyone will get in on a raindrop or two, but consider yourself lucky if you do. That cloud coverage does take us well into Wednesday night. Thursday morning, that's when our next front moves through. That's the best chance to see the widespread heavy downpours for the I-5 corridor. That continues for most of the day. It's going to be a nice kind of typical fall-like day for us here as temperatures struggle to climb out of the 70s. Now, we've got a big astronomical event for those star viewers, the moon gazers. It's Wednesday night. That's where we get our second full moon of the month of August. That means it's a blue moon, but it's also a super moon because its orbit is just a little bit closer, making the moon appear slightly bigger and brighter. While the cloud coverage won't be clearing out for that view, at least the wildfire smoke will here in the coming days as those rain showers really kind of wash out the skies. As the winds pick up east of the Columbia River Gorge, wind advisories in effect at least through 11 o'clock tonight, where gusts could near 50 miles per hour. We got a lot going on this week, and that does include the Oregon State Fair, where we expect to climb up into the mid-70s tomorrow, 60s for Thursday with the return of wet weather, 60 tonight, and welcome back to school for all the kiddos as we expect to see those temperatures back up into the low 70s tomorrow. Hit and miss shower is a possibility as our 7-day forecast does show drier, sunnier, and more summer-like conditions just in time for Saturday. Try 84. That's going to feel a little bit warm comparatively speaking to the low 70s we've gotten to enjoy. But hey, you know, a much better 7-day forecast than what we saw like a week, 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
So
that
perfect.
mugginess is gone too. That's nice.
Yeah.
All right, thanks,
Fall's
Josh.
coming. Hey, the Solve Beach